Okay, so I've just come to a job. Basically, a builder that I do work for said that he has a job and the customer has stepped on their air conditioner and it's fallen off the wall. So I was like, what? Anyway, I've come here and this is what I've come across. So basically there's an aircon and they put little screws. This is not concrete, it's blue board. Anyway, this isn't my install. The sticker, whoever installed it's at the front, but I'm not gonna rubbish them online. This is obviously was fine until someone stepped on it. Anyway, yeah, so basically I just gotta remount this. So first thing I'm gonna do is clean this up. I'm gonna seal these up with silicone to make it watertight, and then we'll remount it and go from there. Let's go. Yeah, that's definitely not gonna cut it. No way. I'm gonna try to find timber when I remount this. That's how you know it's not my job. Because I don't do that. Anyway, let's go. Right, so that one and that one, there's definitely no timber behind it. That's hitting something. That's hitting something. These are hitting something. But yeah, this one is hollow. Which, funnily enough, the two ones that are hollow have got silicone underneath it. Anyway, we'll see how we go. to get more washers, but as usual, it's level. Alright, so it's back up on the wall, put it back on its brackets. I've just put tape over that. I'm going to take that off obviously when I leave. I just don't want anyone railing the previous installer, but yeah, that's not going to cut it, eh? So what I did is I got some bugles. I just stopped at Bunnings on the way here because the blue board is like 10 mil thick, and then I just made sure that I found a timber. So I put 5 bugles in. Not all 5 of them have hit a timber, but at least 3 of them did, and it's solid, so that's not going anywhere. And obviously sealed up all the other holes. It's all watertight. I'm going to put this trunking on the bottom back on, obviously bolt it up, put some gel washers on, and make sure that this thing hasn't lost its gas. If it hasn't, I don't know how, because that, yeah, literally fell off the wall, so it might be lucky. But anyway, I've got R32 in the car and we'll get it sorted. I don't like the size of the washers that they give you with these brackets. They're always like heaps small and feel like they're not holding anything down, so we just get big ones. But the stainless steel bracket's pretty cool. Can't say I've ever used one of these. I'm not a fan of I'm like definitely not the perfect installer, nowhere near it. I'm not a fan of running exposed cable though, even if it is orange circ. There's nothing wrong with it, it's totally legal, but I'm not a fan. Anyway, let me get this on, we'll test it, go from there. So I don't know if you saw my other video, I do red, blue, and white. Everyone's got their own little thing that they do. Red, white, blue. There's nothing wrong with that whatsoever, as long as it's the same on the other end, obviously. I just always feel weird putting a white cable as a neutral. Anyway.